Your Tracfone account number is a 10-digit code crucial for managing your prepaid service. Forget the paper clutter. The easiest way to find it is through the Tracfone app version 8.2 or later. Simply log in and it's displayed under My Account. Alternatively, head to tracfone.com, sign into your account, and find it in your account details. These digital methods are secure and faster, reflecting the latest trend in prepaid management. The IVR is still available, but it is best to use the app or website. If you have the physical SIM card, older methods involved checking the packaging or Verizon's self-service tools using your IMEI, but these are less reliable now due to privacy concerns and carrier integration. Experiencing issues? Ensure you're using the latest version of the Tracfone app for optimal performance and security, with features like biometric login. If the app or website is down, the IVR 611 or 1-800-867-7183 is a backup, but expect longer wait times. SIM IMEI lookups are less effective post-Verizon merger. Remember, your account number is not your phone number. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication within the app. The future of Tracfone leans towards AI-powered chatbots in the app for instant support, so familiarize yourself with these digital tools. Keep an eye out for this feature expected in 2026, potentially phasing out IVR. Also, be aware of potential privacy risks. Consider using a VPN when accessing your account information via the app.